Dear students, welcome back to your education channel Learn and Educate, where we were studying a few basics about the company law and continuing that series. Now, section 2, clause 64, paid up share capital. Paid up share capital is the total amount of the money which is credited to the share capital account as it is equal to the amount received. Such amount which is paid by the shareholder against the call made by the company for the payment of a certain percentage or a certain proportion. Such thus it is the amount which is received is equivalent to the amount received as paid up share capital in the respect of the shares so issued. If the total amount if the in the totality the amount which is credited as a paid up in respect of the shares of a company is also included, which means that the previously amount credited will also be included and termed under the paid up share capital. But such amount does not include any amount which has been received for such share. Example, when the securities premium account is paid in respect of the same share capital, but it does not form to be the paid up share capital. It is not included in the paid up share capital. Security premium account is credited to a separate account. It is a capital nature of receipt termed differently in accounting, in the law, and in the Companies Act. Thus, the called up capital is the amount of the share capital which the shareholders owe, but when they have been paid, thus in the amount, any amount of money which has already been paid, which has paid by the investors in exchange of the shares or stock, is called as paid up share capital. Thus, it means that the amount of the nominal face value which of the company shares of the company which is paid up by the shareholders towards the share capital, any amount of nominal or face value which has been paid by the shareholder towards the share capital of the company, it is a paid up share capital. Thus, paid up share capital means the aggregate amount of the money credited as a paid up and is equivalent to the amount received as paid up in respect of the shares issued, and includes any amount credited as paid up in respect of shares of the company, but does not include any other amount which has been received in respect of such shares by whatever name called.